Before reinforced footwear, before workplace safety regulations, before engineers measured impact forces and compression resistance, workers relied on ordinary boots. Leather protected against dirt, thick soles reduced discomfort, but when heavy tools, steel beams, machinery, or falling materials struck the foot, ordinary footwear offered little protection. In dangerous workplaces, a single accident could permanently change a life. Out of that reality came one of the most important innovations in occupational safety: the hard-toe work boot. Unlike ordinary boots designed primarily for comfort or fashion, hard-toe work boots exist for one purpose: to protect the foot against hazards that can appear without warning. Today, they are worn by construction workers, factory employees, warehouse operators, electricians, miners, oil and gas crews, emergency responders, and countless professionals whose jobs place them in demanding environments. Though often taken for granted, these boots quietly prevent thousands of serious injuries every year. The story begins during the Industrial Revolution. Factories expanded rapidly, railroads stretched across continents, steel production increased, construction reached unprecedented scale, heavy machinery transformed the workplace. Yet workers continued wearing traditional leather boots that offered little defense against crushing impacts. Foot injuries became common: dropped tools, rolling equipment, falling bricks, sharp nails scattered across construction sites. Each presented a constant risk. Manufacturers responded by strengthening footwear. Early safety boots featured thicker leather and reinforced soles. While these improvements increased durability, they could not reliably withstand significant impacts. The true breakthrough arrived in the 20th century. Engineers introduced reinforced toe caps. Initially manufactured from hardened steel, these protective shells surrounded the front of the foot, distributing impact forces away from the toes. Instead of concentrating pressure onto fragile bones, the steel cap redirected energy across a larger structure. A remarkably simple concept, with life-changing results. Engineering quickly expanded beyond the toe. Slip-resistant outsoles improved traction on wet concrete, metal platforms, and oily surfaces. Puncture-resistant midsoles protected against nails, glass, and scrap metal. Shock-absorbing heel systems reduced fatigue during long shifts. Electrical hazard insulation protected workers operating near energized equipment. Every component evolved with a specific purpose. Materials science transformed the industry. Traditional full-grain leather remained valued for durability and flexibility. Rubber compounds improved grip under demanding conditions. Polyurethane midsoles reduced weight while increasing cushioning. Eventually, composite toe caps made from fiberglass, carbon fiber, and advanced polymers offered an alternative to steel. Unlike steel, composite materials resist corrosion, conduct less heat and cold, and avoid triggering metal detectors. Aluminum toe caps later emerged as another lightweight solution, balancing protection with reduced weight. Testing became increasingly rigorous. Safety boots undergo impact resistance evaluations using precisely controlled falling weights. Compression testing measures resistance against crushing loads. Slip resistance is evaluated on wet, oily, and uneven surfaces. Manufacturers also assess abrasion resistance, sole flexibility, puncture protection, electrical insulation, heat resistance, and long-term durability. Only boots meeting demanding certification standards earn approval for hazardous workplaces. Comfort is equally important. A protective boot that causes fatigue may reduce concentration and increase accident risk. Modern ergonomic research has transformed boot design. Contoured footbeds support natural posture. Moisture-wicking linings improve climate control. Breathable waterproof membranes keep feet dry while allowing vapor to escape. Anatomically shaped insoles reduce pressure during long workdays. Many premium boots now combine exceptional protection with all-day comfort. Psychology plays a fascinating role as well. Workers who trust their equipment often move with greater confidence while remaining aware of their surroundings. Protective footwear reduces anxiety when handling heavy materials or operating machinery. Confidence supports efficiency. Efficiency supports safety. The boot protects not only the foot, but also the worker's peace of mind. Different industries require specialized designs. Construction workers prioritize impact and puncture protection. Electricians rely on electrically insulating boots. Firefighters require heat-resistant materials capable of surviving extreme environments. Miners demand aggressive traction for unstable terrain. Food processing facilities often require waterproof and chemical-resistant footwear. Every profession shapes its own version of the safety boot. Innovation continues today. Smart work boots equipped with pressure sensors can monitor worker fatigue and posture. Embedded location systems improve safety in underground mines and large industrial facilities. Temperature sensors warn users of dangerous surface conditions. Some experimental boots harvest energy from walking to power-wearable electronics. Advanced foams continue reducing weight while improving cushioning and durability. Sustainability has become another engineering priority. Manufacturers increasingly produce boots using recycled rubber, responsibly sourced leather, bio-based foams, and repairable construction techniques. Extending product life reduces waste while preserving the high safety standards modern workplaces demand. Perhaps that is what makes hard-toe work boots so remarkable. They rarely attract attention. No one celebrates putting them on each morning. Yet every shift begins with them. Every step depends upon them. Every worker trusts them without giving them much thought. That quiet reliability is the greatest achievement. From construction sites to manufacturing plants, oil platforms, railway networks, warehouses, mining operations, and industrial workplaces across the globe, hard-toe work boots continue protecting millions of people every day. Not through complicated technology alone, but through thoughtful engineering, relentless testing, and a simple promise: every step should be a safer one. Because sometimes, the strongest foundation for a safer workplace begins beneath your feet.